Hi guys, today's tutorial will be on brows. So I've gone off camera to apply foundation. I have highlighted, I have contoured, and I've set the highlighted places with my setting powder. Today we don't have so much time to waste, so please just subscribe to my channel. Let's kickstart this video. So guys, for this routine I'm going to be using my Bare 9 setting powder to set my brows to avoid it looking oily afterward.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'm not falling, I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going life. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. Back a year ago.
So now I'm just only going to fill up those places that I have no hairs, that are looking empty. Okay, those are the only places I'm going to fill up, not the brows, not the body, the forebrows, just those places that are empty. And then I'm going back to further intensify those strands that I already created with my brush, so that you guys can see it. It's optional, you can leave it, you can just not do it, but I want people to see how it looks like. So that's why I'm just intensifying it with my pencil. It's just for you to create natural looking strands, following the strands that you have there already. Now I'm going to use some concealer to tidy up my brows. This would make it look super neat and Once you are done concealing the top of your brows, the next thing to do is to blend it out. Okay, avoid leaving your concealer hanging. Okay, like right now I am blending out the concealer out, because if I leave it hanging, it will be difficult to blend out later when I'm dusting off the setting powder on my face and doing the finishing. Most importantly, if you've come this far into this video, please do not leave without subscribing. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. And one important thing that I have to tell you now is that this technique is super amazing. Yes, I know you know it's amazing. Look at how beautiful the brows are. It's super amazing, and it's very easy. I prefer this method to the other method actually. I don't know if you've seen my other video on brows. If you haven't, just check it out. Check my other makeup videos, you see my brows. I actually prefer this method. I prefer this method, like the skin work, foundation, everything before drawing brows. In fact, I have tons of reasons why this method is better than the other one. Maybe in my next video I'm going to list them out. So these are my brows in comparison with when I had nothing on my face. Can you see the beautiful brows? Can you see the beautiful transformation? If you love this video, give it a thumbs up. And this is the finished look after dusting off the setting powder, fixing my lashes, and doing my eyeshadow and my lipstick. So thank you very much for staying through right from the beginning to the end. See you in my next video, guys. Bye bye.